Solve this very nice algebra problem. 1 by a plus 1 by b is equal to 1 by 5, and we are interested to find a plus b such that a b are positive integers. Let's come to the solution. As 1 by a plus 1 by b, this is the left hand side, so by taking LCM here, the LCM of a and b is ab, and 1 by a multiplied by ab, we get b, plus 1 by b multiplied by ab, we get a. This is equal to 1 by 5. We can write this as b plus a is equal to a plus b divided by ab, and this is equal to 1 by 5. Now by doing cross multiplication, we get 5 multiplied by a plus b. This is equal to 1 multiplied by ab. You can write this as ab is equal to 5 into a plus b. And now ab is equal to 5 multiplied by a, we get 5a plus 5b. Now by moving all the terms from right hand side to left hand side, we get this will become minus 5a and this will become minus 5b at the left hand side, and is equal to 0. Now by taking common from first two terms, we can take a as a common, so inside b minus 5 will be left. Minus 5b is equal to 0. Now as we have a into b minus 5, minus 5b is equal to 0. Now adding 5 square on both sides, so at the left hand side we will add 5 square, and this we will also add at the right hand side 5 square. Now a into b minus 5, and we can factor out minus 5 from these two terms. Hence inside b minus, because minus into minus we get plus 5, which we have taken it common, hence 5 will be inside. This is equal to 0 plus 5 squared. 5 squared is equal to 25. 0 plus 5 squared, which is 25. Now we have b minus 5, which is a common factor, and the second factor is a minus 5. This is equal to 25. As it is given that a and b are the positive integers, so write all the possible factor of the 25 which are integers. So 25 is equal to 1 multiplied by 25. These two are the positive integers. 25 is equal to 5 multiplied by 5, and 25 is equal to 25 multiplied by 1. These are the possible factors of 25 which are integers, positive integers. So first of all we will solve this for case 1. b minus 5 into a minus 5, this is equal to 25. In the place of 25 we will write 1 multiplied by 25. So we have b minus 5 is equal to 1 and a minus 5 is equal to 25. So by moving minus 5 from left hand side to right hand side, we get b is equal to 1 plus 5. This implies b is equal to 6. And by moving minus 5 from left hand side to right hand side, a is equal to 25 plus 5, so we get a is equal to 30. But we are interested to find a plus b. So by adding these numbers, 30 plus 6, hence the first value of a plus b is 36. Now let's come to the second case. In the second case, we will put 25 as 5 multiplied by 5. So b minus 5 into a minus 5 is equal to 25, which is 5 multiplied by 5. So by this we get 5, b minus 5 is equal to 5 and a minus 5 is equal to 5. Now by moving negative 5 from left hand side to right hand side, this will become positive 5, and adding 5 plus 5 we get 10. So b is equal to 10. And here moving this from left hand side to right hand side, this will become positive 5 and we get a is equal to 10. So the value of a and b is 10. Now adding a plus b, we get 10 plus 10. So a plus b is equal to 20. This is the second value of a plus b. First we have found that a plus b is equal to 36, and now we have found that a plus b is equal to 20. Let's come to the third case. In case 3, we will put 25 as 25 multiplied by 1. So this will become b minus 5 into a minus 5. This is equal to 25 multiplied by 1. So from this, b minus 5 is equal to 25 and a minus 5 is equal to 1. Now by moving minus 5 from left hand side to right hand side, this will become positive 25 plus 5. So we get b is equal to 30. 25 plus 5, 30. So here 1, this will become positive 5 and we get a is equal to 6. Now adding a plus b, we get 6 plus 30. A plus b is equal to 36. In first case, we have found a plus b is equal to 36. In second case, we have found that a plus b is equal to 20. And in third case, we have found that a plus b is equal to 36. These are the two values of a plus b. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe this.